All right, back again for day number 2. I do not remember having 2 of these guys, but obviously I did. They're both similar shape. They're not, I can't tell if they're dirty or if they're just, that's just the color of the outfit. Probably a little bit of both. I'd say just some, a little bit of water here. No solvents or anything. Yeah, there's some of the dirt's coming off there now. Let's see. This was the Rebel Hoth base troopers. Yeah, there's some of the crevices there for sure coming out. I can't. Not much to say about these. They're typical Star Wars troopers. Star Wars characters. They just make as many of them as they could. And good grief, they made a Gonk droid. And I got it somewhere. I haven't found it yet, but anything to monetize the. All right, yeah. See, they're not. I guess I should try and wash the top of his head too. I say the Star Wars was a big part of the early '80s for me. I had all, I don't know if any of y'all watched the short that I put up the other day, but it was I got one of the Darth Vader action figure cases, and it's full of Star Wars stuff, Star Wars guys, and a few mismatched guys. Let's see, that's one chain. This one has, gotta remember where my camera's focused at. This one looks like it's got a little bit less wear on it. It seems like this got, the blacks on there is not as bad. So, I don't remember having 2 of them, but I'm glad I do, because it's Star Wars. You can't have too many Star Wars characters. There's nothing overwhelmingly special about these guys. They were cannon fodder, and just something else for George Lucas to sell and make money off of us with. Let's say still got He-Man sitting right here, so I'm gonna be trying to organize all these things. Look like maybe a dog or something got a hold of this one. The thumb's a little janky, but that being said, that's my pair of. I should look up the actual title of these guys before I do anything else. I'm gonna go actually do a search on them, see what the official title for these guys is, and we'll be right. Okay, according to Google, which mostly leads me to eBay and Etsy, these are Hoth Rebel Troopers, which I knew that. I'm glad I got them. I'm pleased with them. One of those things, I opened up the case, I remember those guys. But I like it. So that was day 2. Just, if you like it, give me a like, subscribe. I'm going to keep coming regardless, but subscribe so you know what's coming up next. It is going to be a pretty much a grab bag of things to see from now here and there. So thanks for watching, everybody.